Hey guys, Jamie from Dunn Plumbing and Heating, and today I'll walk you through a pressure vacuum breaker bonnet replacement. If you do not properly prepare your sprinkler system for the cold weather or freezing temperatures, the water in your PVB may disrupt a safety feature known as the bonnet. This is likely the case if water spouts from the top of your PVB. If this is your issue, don't worry, this is an easy fix. Replacement parts are commonly found at home improvement stores in 1-inch and 3/4-inch repair kits. To start, close the valves on your PVB. If the valves are in line with the pipe, they are open. If they are perpendicular, they are closed. Next, remove the bell cap nut and the bell cap to expose the bonnet. Now, remove the bonnet and the poppet assembly together. Be sure to follow all the instructions from the repair kit. Install all of the pieces, even if the ones you currently have don't seem damaged. Install your new poppet and bonnet assembly. Be sure not to over-tighten. Once your new poppet and bonnet assembly have been installed, you can replace the bell cap and the bell cap nut. Finally, it's time to turn back on the water supply from both valves. Now that's a job well done.